In addition to hourly billing, we also have value pricing. If you think about what you're trying to accomplish in pursuing this divorce, establishing custody rights, modifying child support, whatever it is that you're coming to us for, there's a certain value in regards to what this is worth for you to have it done right, have it done quickly, to have your objectives diligently pursued, to put your best foot forward in getting this done in a way that makes your life better in the future. In value pricing, we have a conversation with you around what that is, and for a certain scope of work, what fee would be commensurate to that value that you get from that. And in doing so, then you avoid all the pitfalls of the hourly work, which is monthly invoices of varying amounts that you no way to predict it, no way to predict total cost. You get to avoid all the pitfalls of hourly work, whether it is invoices of different amounts, a total cost that's unpredictable, or just the wear and tear that comes in getting those monthly invoices and recognizing the fatigue that has on your psyche as this goes along.